Alright, YouTube, scrapping metal day 2. I gotta load the rest of this shit up in my truck and see what I can get for it today. I got some aluminum and some other random stuff. I got dryers and microwaves, wiring, aluminum, a couple AC units, a couple friggin' AC units. Yep, I gotta get this stuff loaded up. I'll check back in with you when I do that. What? A little pickaxe, the best scrapping tool I ever had. I just smacked that from the back and look, and popped the electric motor right out. What? So I hope I don't have to take that bolt out. Shit, I gotta cut a wire now. I usually just take that pickaxe and hit the wire and it cuts it for me. Oh yeah. Well, there ain't nothing inside the old cash register, ladies and gentlemen. Just them pieces of paper. A bunch of freaking corn. What? Alright guys, scrapping a dryer 101. First thing you want to do, smack this freaking top off because it's going to have aluminum on it. Like so. Next thing you're going to want to do, cut all them wires out. After that, we're going to smack this front out, find our electric motor and get that. That bending metal Iron Man on the picture compound. Yep, I got to cut them wires out, smack my electric motor out, which is down there. Need them wires, boys. Wherever them wires ends, where your electric motor is going to be. I'll show you how to get the aluminum off in a second. And just like that, friggin' motor's out through. Should be able to pull that right through, hopefully. Boom. Electric motor. Now, when scrapping the top to your dryer, the first piece is aluminum, the other two pieces are metal. That's why I always tear the piece of aluminum off right there. Alright YouTube, got a bunch of shit loaded up in my truck for scrapping metal day 2. I'm going to run it up to the scrapyard really quick and see what I can get for it. I even got some copper wiring and some aluminum. We got aluminum, I got pots and pans in there, electric motors. Let's take it up to the scrapyard and see what we get today. Oh yeah. Burnt ass pan. Scrapping metal day 2, ladies and gentlemen. Pulling on the friggin' scale. Up, throw my shit off. Somebody scrapped half a freaking truck. I don't like driving here because look at all the shit you can pop your tire with. What? Tire popping material, folks. Yep, I gotta scrap this shit. Dead weight time at the scrapyard, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that big load. What? Some cars and shit. This dude's gonna weigh his friggin' tractor. $31,960 for this tractor. That's about ready to pull off. 31,000 pounds, folks. She's a big one. 31,960. I wish I was getting paid for that. Loaded. I gotta get my dead weight and take my aluminum inside. going inside. It's windy out today. Tell by the gust. Holy shit, camera slide in action today. Little camera slide in action. Of course, if I got some money, I'm gonna eat brats and a bun. What? Gotta get me a brat and a bun at No Wickies, folks. Friggin' No Wickies. Everybody's here getting them. Brats of the day, ladies and gentlemen. I got the mushroom and Swiss and the ghost pepper brat. They put ghost peppers in it. Makes your mouth burn. Plus I put jalapeno peppers. I don't know why I do that. I always put jalapenos on the ghost pepper brat. My mouth's watering. I'm gonna start eating this beast. Well, you can definitely taste it. There's some hot ass peppers. It's a good tasting brat, folks. Ghost pepper brat. Get yours today. I'm gonna finish eating it and get me a drink. Next brat up, the mushroom and Swiss. I'm hoping this cures the hotness flavor. My mouth's still on fire. And them ghost peppers, like, get on your tongue and keep your mouth on fire forever for some reason. They're not like jalapenos. I'm hoping the cheese cures it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, scrap results, day number 2. This is all the metals I had. That's the prices they're going for. So electric motors were 8 cents a pound, copper with insulation 45 cents, stainless steel non-magnetic 25 cents a pound, sheet aluminum 25 cents, and then the tin's still at $100 a ton. There's the prices. So for a sink I got $3 and some cents. For the sink I got $3. $45.02 ain't bad. I'm going to take that and go garage sailing this weekend. Oh yeah, tune into John the Picker. We'll see what we can get garage sailing. Scrap prices.